tracking your trades. If you're not doing that, I just don't know how you're going to get better. Knowing what you've done is the best teacher, like we've, talked about prior. So without that, I just don't, if you're doing that, great. Then develop a process where that's repeatable, where you continue to do it, and then, judge the results. Are you getting better?
So I couldn't agree more with what he said. And I know it sucks to basically spend additional time you've traded to document the trade, but here's what I do. Every time that I take a trade, I take a snapshot at the moment I take the trade. Do a small annotation of why I took that trade. What was the theme behind it? Then, a few days later, sometime a few weeks later, I will revisit that trade. Whether I won or whether I lost. Even better if I lost. Because when you do that day in, day out, you're going to see that pattern emerging. There's a mistake that you come back all the time on, that you haven't corrected. And this thing, basically, is what this trading journal is going to help you with. It's going to help you at establishing what are the consistent mistakes that you make again and again and again. And it's going to help you basically to realize, I need to change that. I need to absolutely erase that from my trading, because then I'm going to save myself a lot of money. If you do that, if you review these trades, even trades that you haven't taken, even the trades that you were thinking of taking, those potential trades that you didn't take for XYZ reason, and then you go and revisit them a few days or a week later, then you'll learn so much about your own trading methodology, process, psychology. You're going to make so much improvement in your trading, you can't even realize that.